What if you could write like a pro, create voiceovers, generate images, and publish full blog posts without spending hours editing or figuring out the perfect prompt? That's exactly why thousands of marketers, content creators, and business owners are quietly switching from ChatGPT to WriteSonic. And today, I'll show you why this tool is changing everything. If you stick around till the end, I'll even show you a use case that proves how it beats ChatGPT in real workflow situations. So here's the deal. AI tools are everywhere, but most people don't want to figure out prompts or copy-paste a dozen times just to get a LinkedIn post or blog draft. When I first heard about WriteSonic, people called it ChatGPT, but organized. And honestly, that's not far off, except it does a few things ChatGPT still can't do. Let me show you. Unlike ChatGPT, you don't have to wrestle with prompts. WriteSonic gives you hundreds of templates: ads, emails, captions, product descriptions, blog writers, LinkedIn posts, everything. Example: let's say I want to create 5 inspiring LinkedIn posts about growing a small business using social media marketing on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All I do is open the LinkedIn Post V2 template. A guideline like create 5 short LinkedIn posts about how small businesses can use social media to increase brand awareness and revenue. Tone: inspiring and professional. Choose the tone. Hit generate. In less than 20 seconds, I get multiple post ideas ready to copy, refine, or expand. People say it's the best AI article writer right now. And honestly, this feature alone saves teams hours. Here's what I did. I used a trending topic: how AI is disrupting small business marketing in 2025. Then I copied 2 reference articles, one from HubSpot, one from entrepreneur.com. I pasted them into the input and let WriteSonic generate. It produced a 5-section, 95% complete article, included structure, headings, and even images. Used up-to-date info directly from the references I provided. You can also import the article to the editor, expand, rewrite, change tone, or translate. Finish it manually in minutes. For bloggers, SEO writers, marketing agencies, this is traffic gold. Voiceovers are everywhere now: YouTube, Reels, ads, courses. WriteSonic has AudioSonic, and it claims to mimic human speech almost perfectly. So I took the intro of this video and dropped it in. Not bad, right? If you're into podcast intros, ads, narration, or video production, you can do everything in one platform without hiring voice artists. ChatSonic is their chatbot, like ChatGPT, but with extra sauce. You can install it as a Chrome extension. Use it directly inside LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, X. Analyze links or files for free, which ChatGPT charges for. I tested it by asking, summarize this article on fintech startups and turn it into a pitch for investors. The result wasn't perfect, but the built-in rewrite, tone, and style options make tweaking super fast. ChatGPT is still better at deeper reasoning, but ChatSonic wins in accessibility and workflow. Text-to-image is becoming essential for thumbnails, social posts, blog graphics, quick mock-ups. WriteSonic has PhotoSonic, and it's free to use. Example prompt: create a thumbnail background with a tech workspace and futuristic lighting. It does a solid job if you keep prompts general. Avoid using it for faces or hyper-realistic scenes. That's where DALL-E 3 inside ChatGPT Plus still has the edge. But for quick assets, templates, mock-ups, and unique backgrounds, PhotoSonic gets it done without extra tools. WriteSonic is perfect for marketers, content creators, e-commerce brands, video creators, agencies, freelancers, students, and researchers. If you don't create content every day, the free version is enough. If you do, the paid plans are cheaper than paying for 4 different tools. What makes WriteSonic amazing is because it has templates, article writing, images, and built-in voiceovers that makes it a full productivity stack instead of just a chatbot. If you want to try it, I've dropped the link below. Hit subscribe so you don't miss more AI power tools like this. And if you want me to compare WriteSonic versus ChatGPT head-to-head, just comment breakdown below. Thanks for watching. Let's build smarter, not harder.